The most charismatic independence leader in Africa was murdered by the very allies who helped him win freedom. It's 1960, Leopoldville, Belgian Congo. A young politician with fire in his eyes becomes the first prime minister as Belgium finally grants independence. Patrice Lumumba electrifies crowds with speeches about African dignity and unity. He promises to end foreign control of Congo's vast mineral wealth. The people adore him, and for months he seems unstoppable. But his refusal to bow to Western mining companies terrifies Brussels and Washington. The CIA labels him a communist threat. Belgian officers and rival Congolese politicians meet in secret. They need him gone before he nationalizes the mines. His own army turns against him. Soldiers arrest him at his home as his wife and children watch. They drive him to a remote airfield. Belgian officers are waiting with shovels already prepared. 3 shots ring out in the darkness. His body disappears into an unmarked grave. The charismatic leader who dreamed of African unity was Patrice Lumumba.